Today we will start a vacuum search. This is the filter. You could see it here. This is how it looks. This is the cap. And here is where you open it. And please do not throw this vacuum to the garbage because it has a secret power button. You can hear the noise. And this is what we do. There's a filter inside. These are the cords. Never cut the cords. When you cut the cord, the vacuum will just get fire. And that is so bad. It can burn your computer, TV, your house. That is dangerous more. Your bed, look at this. This is my bed. It can burn, and there's a lot of things on top. The doors can burn, your toys can burn. Xbox too. Anything can burn. And now let's start our vacuum search. Let's screw the screws out. There we go. Now the last one's here. But those are actually magnet screws. The magnet screws stick to your screwdriver. And this is a magnet screwdriver. You could see it. You see the screw is on the screwdriver. But this vacuum was on the garbage and it was raining. I was worrying it didn't get fire outside. But I think the water must damage something. I don't know. Let's check it and then we will know. But this vacuum doesn't want to open. I don't know. So this is almost the end of our vacuum search. I know it was so fast. We are screwing the screws out. But I have a interesting thing for you. You could... This vacuum works in the rain too. Because this vacuum was standing at the garbage and the rain was falling. But the rain didn't damage anything. Everything works. The vacuum works. And one question. It does a loud noise. I don't know why, but it does it. Last two screws. This vacuum is doing something wrong. He's like, oh, I don't know what to do. Maybe I should clean. No, I should do mass. No, I shouldn't. What should I do? That's like the vacuum. He doesn't know what to do and then he does loud noise or what? Or he damaged himself. I don't know. So this is the end of ours and we are done. See you next time. Bye.